Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris and welcome to LEGO Mini Reviews, the show where I review a ton of different LEGO vintage and new sets right here on the Duckbricks YouTube channel in a short form format. So I have a ton of Bricklink orders to get through as well as just associated LEGO purchases, and I figured instead of making a mega video where I go through every single one that's hours long, why not break it up into separate mini reviews? And so in addition to our normal 3 videos a week schedule, be sure to stay tuned for a mini review dropping every single day where we do not normally have a standard video releasing. I hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into our first pick. Next up. Today we'll be taking a look at one of the Bricklink AFOL Designer Program sets. So what exactly are these? Well, back in 2019, before LEGO actually bought Bricklink, they partnered with the company to produce some sets designed specifically by AFOLs using a variety of different pieces that were available to them. These sets had a very limited release and essentially were crowdfunded, were pretty much only available to purchase on Bricklink despite being official LEGO sets, and they had a very limited run, which makes them incredibly rare. Each of the boxes is really nicely done with a special golden sticker that showcases the title of the set as well as its designer, but in addition to that, it also always has a wraparound sleeve for each box to allow you to display the set against a backdrop that fits it, which is really nice. Now, of course, on the back here, you can see that the AFOL Designer Program has some details listed on the back. You can learn more about it on Bricklink, and every single one also came with an exclusive 2x4 Technic brick with axle holes through them, which debuted in 2019, with a special print of 60 years of the brick on them, which is a really cool exclusive piece to get. This was the only special piece LEGO produced for each of these sets, which makes these some of the most interesting and rarest LEGO sets out there. Nowadays, the value of these sets have skyrocketed, which is why I'm so happy to be able to bring some reviews to all of you. The next AFOL Designer Program set is this charming little hotshot arcade system. Essentially, this is supposed to be a little bit of a stand at a carnival. It's a pretty extensive stand, but it is just a carnival stand where you can essentially compete to win prizes. In here you can see all sorts of different targets and prizes to be won, from trophies to stuffed animals to guitars to little cups to hearts, all sorts of different things that you can win by taking up one of the rifles mounted on the side here and testing your luck at hitting the targets. It includes a stall worker as well as a father and son to actually participate in the event itself, and what I actually really like about this is that this includes several of these special curvy tile pieces. These were panel pieces that were introduced for stuff like the LEGO Batman movies, but they're really interesting builds to have as panels, and they included a whopping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them, so awesome to get 8 of those very rare and specialized pieces in a single LEGO model. I'm a big fan of how this all turned out, and while it does seem like a simple model on the surface, I actually really like the attention to detail. The rifle is built really well for a large-scale model, and the wording here definitely feels almost like a LEGO modular building. Sure, these are a little bit wobbly, they're really just mounted on a few studs, and there are again a few connections here that do feel like this very clearly was designed by an AFOL and not an official LEGO designer, not a professional LEGO builder, but for what it is, I really do appreciate the amount of detail that you can see here. It does have a fully detailed interior and really does feel at home at a carnival. I think this would look great next to, say, the Ferris wheel or the roller coaster, just to really pad out the LEGO theme park lineup. Alright, and with that, we have summed up this mini LEGO review. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and do let me know down in the comments below what do you think of this set. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And if you own it, what have been your experiences with building and playing with the set itself? Also, let me know in the comments if you like this format of mini reviews. I'm trying to put them out on a fairly regular basis, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very soon.